Okay, so the subject is what to see and do.
Willie
This
do.
one's from Jamie.
The question is to Willie do what
Yeah.
to see and do. You see that?
I'm visiting Toronto from the UK for the first time in September and wondering if you guys know of anywhere I should visit or check out, which aren't the typical touristy stuff, like the CN Tower, Niagara Falls.
Not the typical touristy stuff. He wants the inside line. It's hard to tell a tourist not to do touristy stuff.
That's
because
true.
everything, you're a tourist. That's what you are. So if I'm like, go have brunch at this place, it's like, well, it's not that exciting either.
Well, I
There's
mean,
a reason the
places that you
touristy spots are the touristy spots. Like Niagara Falls, I would probably see it. Would you?
If I was here like the first time, yeah, I would.
I don't know. I think it's pretty amazing. I've been there a handful of times in my life, but I'm like,
But maybe there's some gems in Toronto that,
I'm sure
you might consider really like a place to go to.
Gems.
Yeah, I was thinking Kensington Market.
Okay,
It's a
go
nice
visit
place.
Kensington Market.
Distillery District.
Distillery District. But are those local or are those also included as tourist destinations? Are those really inside scoops?
Yeah.
Okay.
There are little
Kensington
gems in
Market
Toronto.
behind China. But what about Chinatown then? Spadina.
Sure.
Yeah, okay. Go do that. Go to Spadina, see Chinatown, then jump in behind Chinatown and go to Kensington Market. Do they still have that empanada place over there? Go get one. Go get a few of those empanadas. There's stuff to do.
Hockey Hall of Fame.
Oh, if you're a hockey fan, the Hall of Fame is there. That's further away. That's on Front Street. But yeah, you could go do that. If you're out late, you could go to France. That's kind of like a thing to do. That's a local thing to do. Yeah, absolutely. 24 hours. Or no, they close it late. The one on College is the 24-hour one. That's the classic one. You got to go to the one at Yonge and College. What else were we going to say?
You could try
also the Distillery District you could go to, because if you want to walk on a little cop. But he's coming from the UK. They have like real history over there. Do you know what I'm saying? I've been to London. They're like, this bar is 400 years old. It's like, oh, wow, damn.
Yeah.
Distillery is if you want that old-timey feel, but there are good restaurants there as well.
There are, yeah.
And you could go to the Mill Street Brewery if you want.
Oh, yeah. Delicious.
Because they actually do the beer. They make the beer there if you're into that. So there's a couple of ideas in there, I think. Oh, nature. In Toronto directly? Oh, the beaches? I don't know. Is that nature? How far does he want to travel? He's not trying to get to Algonquin Park.
I always tell everyone, go camp or something.
Yeah, but I just feel like that's outside the scope of a typical trip in a week. It's a lot of, you get there, you travel to get there, then you want to travel again. I mean, we have great nature here. That's absolutely true. He could just go up to Muskoka somewhere. Like Muskoka is crazy beautiful. Like seriously, go up to Huntsville or something. Stay at Deerhurst. There's a really nice resort up there. Take a look around. It's some Great Lakes. They are the Great Lakes, and there's some Great Lakes. So definitely that. But funny enough, I'm like, go to Niagara Falls too, because it's wild. And I'm not talking about the touristy stuff around Niagara Falls. I'm just saying actual Niagara Falls is a wild thing to look at.
Yeah.
It is a tremendous amount of natural power. I don't know if that's exciting for people, for regular humans. I don't know. People are there when you go there. But I'm saying for me, if I'm passing through or if I'm nearby, I was there relatively recently. And I was still, wow, I had a moment still. So I guess that's what natural wonders kind of do for you. And that's what happened in that particular case. So anyway, there's a couple of things in there. Will, you have anything else you want to add to that one?
Maybe try poutine.
Oh, have a poutine.
If you have it.
It's where smokes?
Smokes is like the basic, I guess.
Okay.
But it's good. Smokes poutineery.
Did you have a different one? Because the only thing about the thing about smokes is that there's so many variations of it.
Yeah.
Beyond the classic. What about if they want a burger? Should they go to Burgers Priest or somewhere else?
Nah, A&W Beyond Meat.
No, how dare you? No. Yeah, I mean, I would probably recommend Burgers Priest
Burgers Priest, yeah.
as a burger
Very good.
place, and there's a smoked poutine right beside it down there, so you could do the combo deal.
Yep.
Maple syrup, figure that out. I don't really care how, just figure that out. The real stuff. Maybe when you're at Fran's, demand. I don't even know if they carry the real stuff. You could maybe demand it though. I want you to. Here's what I want you to do. Okay, you're out late. You're having such a great time. You're about to hit the Fran's at like 2 a.m. I want you to walk in there and order pancakes carrying your own jug of AAA dark Canadian maple syrup. And they ain't going to deny you. You're going to be like, this is for my pancakes. They're going to be like, yes, sir.
Rite of passage.
Team Canada. And send us a photo if you do it. Actually, you know what? Don't do all that stuff. Jeez, man. I don't want you working away. I want you to relax a little bit over here.
Yeah.
But anyhow, good luck with your trip. Happy to have you.
Yeah, safe travels.
And have a good one.